Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Cura to print with the X-Pro 3D printer. So first of all, I'm going to show you why you would want to do that. This is the software that comes with the printer. It's basically an older version of Cura, and it's not very good. I got this idea off of Reddit from Thermal M16. He basically walks you through it here. He does a really good job explaining it. I just wanted to do a quick video. Hopefully it's helpful. So if we go into Cura, go ahead and click Printers, Add Printer, Custom, call it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then go ahead and click Add Printer. Then in here, we're going to set X to 230, Y to 150, Z to 150, build plate shape rectangular, uncheck origin at center, check heated bed, G-code flavor marlin, gantry height maxed out. All these values should be 0. Number of extruders 2. And then for the start and end code, we just copy and paste this. Then go to extruder 1, type 1.75 for the diameter, do the same thing for extruder 2, and click finish. The other thing that Thermal M16 recommends, which is very helpful if you're not using both extruders, is to add a blank material. So go ahead and just create a new one. We'll just call it custom blank, call it whatever you want. All of this stuff doesn't really matter, but if you want to fill it out, go for it. The really important part is under the print settings, set all your temperatures to 0 basically. Retraction speed, retraction distance, you can leave all that. But this just keeps the printer from heating the extruder even when you're not using it. So go ahead and set all those and just hit close. Now we're going to go ahead and import. It's all grayed out right now, so what you need to do is click on the part and then select the extruder you want. Okay, so there we got extruder 1. We've got PLA loaded in that right now. So to prevent the PLA from oozing out, we have that set to our blank one. And then extruder 2. We've got ABS loaded in there, so I just went generic ABS. You pretty much just go into recommended for all this, and we do want to generate support with extruder 2, so that'll use ABS as the support. And that should do it. So then we just got to click our part and say we want to print that with extruder 2, and then go ahead and prepare that. There we go. Now it's got it sliced, so we can go ahead and section it, see what it's going to look like. There you can see what the support material is going to do. Overall, this is just a lot nicer than the default program, and it takes a few minutes to set up, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, so one other thing. Apparently, extruder 1 is actually the left extruder, so we want to switch that around, make that ABS, make extruder 2 custom PLA blank, and we want to generate support with extruder 1. So then with our part, we want to print that with extruder 1. Let's see what happens here. Okay, there we go. So we're printing with extruder 1, and that all looks good.